In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change skin in Minecraft while playing. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, you might be curious on whether or not you can change the current skin that you are using on your character while playing Minecraft, because normally you have to exit out of the game, go into the launcher, go into the skins tab and change it from there. Well, natively you cannot do this. However, by downloading a specific and easy to use mod, you will be able to. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use that mod. Keep in mind that by default, you will not be able to do it. So according to all the research that I've done, if you want to change your skin without using mods, then sadly, you will need to back out of the game. It is impossible to do so while playing. But by using this particular mod, you will be able to do this. You go into skins customizations and then change skins. In here, you will have a folder that has all of the skins that you would like to swap into. You can choose between the classic or slim skin types and then choose the option to change the skin. Are you sure you want to? And as you can see, I immediately changed my skin while playing. I didn't have to back out of the game, no cuts, no anything. So to use this mod, download it from CurseForge. It is called Skin Swapper by Cobra's Rock. Once you download this mod, you will see that it is available for all of these versions here, all the way to 1.20.1, and it's available for Fabric and Forge. I'm going to assume that you already have Fabric or Forge installed, or you know how to do it. But if you don't, it's as simple as downloading the installer and running it and choosing the specific version of Minecraft. You will receive a jar file just like this one here, Skin, Swapper, Fabric, or Forge. Then download the specific skin that you would like to use. So you can go to a website like NameMC, find a specific skin, and click on the download button. There are other places available where you can download skins if you prefer. So on your .minecraft folder, go over to the mods folder, and in here drop the Skin Swapper jar file. Like I said before, make sure that you have either Fabric or Forge installed, and when you open the game, you will now have a skins folder. So in this skins folder, you can drag and drop any skins that you download, and if you go back inside of the game, you can head over to options, skin customizations, change skin, and you will find it here. Choose the option to change skin, yes, and now this new skin will be applied when you go in game, so you don't have to back out of Minecraft, go into the launcher, and do it over there. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.